Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new. Thank you, my dear friend, for your support.
First, adjust the seat and steering wheel to fit your height.
الاشتراك في
Sit
القناة
back in the seat. When
وتفعيل
you complete the press
الجرس
the brake pedal,
ليصلكم
your
كل
knees should be
جديد.
slightly bent, and your wrists should be able to touch the farthest part of the steering wheel. After adjusting the angle of the outside rear-view mirrors, set the head-up display height to eye level. Press the setup button to go to the settings menu, then the vehicle settings menu, and under head-up display, tap display control. You can adjust display height, rotation, and brightness. To save your seat, outside rear-view mirror, and head-up display settings, press the set button, then press the button for the number you want to save under. Swipe left on the infotainment home screen to see the full menu, where you can set up a variety of vehicle functions. For instance, tap navigation to access a variety of convenient navigation features. To save a frequent destination, tap a label at the bottom of the screen. Search for the location, and tap OK. To pair a Bluetooth device, go to Phone Connection in the Settings menu. Tap Bluetooth Connections, then Add New. Select the functions you want to use, and activate Bluetooth on the device. Select the name of your vehicle from the list to create a passkey number. Once you make sure the passkey numbers match and approve the pairing, you're finished. Do you have a favorite color? In the Vehicle Settings menu, tap Lights to set the brightness and color of the interior ambient light. Sounds of Nature offers a choice of pleasant, relaxing ambient nature sounds. On the Vehicle Settings screen, tap Driver Assistance. Go to Parking Safety and select Active Assist. When backing up, the vehicle will automatically brake to avoid a collision. Have you finished setup? Now you can enjoy driving your Sorrento. Let's look at the design and main features of the new Sorrento. First, you'll notice the powerful yet stylish exterior design. In particular, the tiger eye design of the grille and headlamps creates an assertive, intense front view. The simple front bumper and LED fog lights flow naturally into the large, powerful wheel design. With a longest-in-class wheelbase, the dynamic side design features simple, direct lines that appear sporty and solid. The flag-type outside rear-view mirrors help to improve forward and side visibility. The rear wiper is concealed by a spoiler, and the rear lamps are arranged vertically. Maybe that's why the rear design looks bold, yet sophisticated. You can easily open or close the power tailgate using buttons. Adjust the tailgate opening height by hand to your preferred level. Then press the power tailgate close button and hold for 3 seconds to set it. Or you can use the door menu of the infotainment system to set the opening height, or even the opening speed. Once inside, you'll immediately notice the robust design and cutting-edge technology. The large screen cluster, which offers options for visually engaging themes, and the intuitive infotainment system show how smart and sensitive the design is. Ambient light creates a comfortable and sophisticated cabin interior and allows you to choose from 7 basic colors, or 64 colors in total. Try selecting a profile. Features including multimedia, seat position, and outside rear-view mirror angle will immediately adjust to your preferred settings. You can choose from a variety of driving modes to suit your driving preferences or road conditions. Choose between the soft, comfortable driving of Comfort Mode, Eco Mode for economical driving, Sport Mode for dynamic driving, or Smart Mode, which adapts to suit conditions and your driving style. Terrain Mode controls the all-wheel drive, engine, transmission, and braking system to improve performance in snow, mud, or sand. It adjusts the distribution of torque to the front and rear wheels to maximize traction and provide sufficient power when starting to move. The sensitive dial-type shift-by-wire lets you shift easily with the touch of a hand. The Sorrento's cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and other cutting-edge technology help you drive safely. It offers the most interior space in its class, as well as a variety of conveniences. You'll notice the generous legroom and luxurious upholstery, as well as the comfortable, upscale environment. There are seatback USB ports for convenient phone charging from the second row, while a variety of storage spaces are provided for personal belongings or beverages. Press the walk-in switch on the bottom or top of the second row seat. The seat will automatically fold down and move forward for easy access to the third row. The flat door scuff and assist handle make accessing the third row even easier. For child safety, even the third row offers child seat anchor points. The electric seat folding button on the right side of the trunk opens up a generous cargo area with plenty of room for your belongings. Now you can sit back, relax, and set out on a journey with your Sorrento.